Good day, traders. This is Rick with your aftermarket update for the Futures Trading Coach Live Trading Alert Room. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd, and I'm going to let you know what we did today. All of our trades were in the ES. We tried 4 trades. Market was in this range here pretty much all morning. Market came down here on these 2 red candles. I said it's a little bit early, okay, because I really wanted them to get below the 76. But I said it's a little bit early. I said, but I think I want to be in case they come down because we had some lower targets. We also had some news coming up, and I wanted to be in before that if the market started to make a move. So we got short right here at 1877.75, 8:39 Central Standard Time. I said this was a little bit early. I said, but I want this thing to move right away. I'm not going to play around with it. Put a small position on, we gave it a try. Market came up a little bit, came down, didn't even give it a candle. I just said, you know what, we're too early, let's just get out. Some people got out at break even, some people got out a couple ticks, and again, this was a small position, so break even, 2-3 ticks off of a half or a quarter position, a small loser or a break even, and we just got out of the trade. Market kept coming up here. I said, you know what, they really want to go higher. They're trying to make up their mind. Basically we were just sitting here up, down, up, down, up, down. I said, okay, if they're not going to go down, they're going to probably go up. We had a setup over here, and again, we got long, 9:09 Central Standard Time, 1880, okay, 1880. I said again, this thing's got to go. I wasn't even going to play around with it. I'm like, this should just go. What happened here, I was expecting to happen here. When it didn't happen that way, I just said, again, I'm getting out. It seemed a little frustrating, but I'm like, you know, we can't play around with this because the market's just playing around in this big zone here. You know, and for all I know, they could stay there all morning. But I figured they would break out one way or to the other. We don't take breakout trades, but this was worth taking a shot at. Now, some people got in here at 9.25. They let it come back a little bit and never got stopped out, and they actually took it up and made a really nice profit there. But I'm going to say again, break even or, you know, minus a couple ticks by the time I told everybody to get out. They had really this whole candle here, but most people got out in the middle there, a tick or two. That was it. For those that stayed in, they made some money on that, but officially we call it a break even or minus a couple ticks. Market came down again, came back up a third time. I said they're going to have to go. Same scenario. We got long at 80.25 right after this green candle closed, and I said again, this has got to go and give us profits. Otherwise, I'm going to just get out again. I'm not going to play with it today. So it did go up, got us into a risk-free trade, went straight up to my 3/4 target, and that was good for about 3 points. So that was a nice trade there. More than made up for these 2 small break-evens or losers here at a couple ticks. And that was it. And then we came back down here. We took a short at 1882. That one produced about a point. And that was it. And basically the morning was over, and that's all we did. So point here, up to 3 points here, anywhere from a break even, 1-2 ticks minus, somewhere in that range there off of a small position on these 2 trades. 2 winners, 2 break evens or small losers, and made a little bit of money today. But given the market and given the day, or the morning session anyway, not a bad day overall. Picked up a little green, and we're going to come back and we're going to do it again tomorrow. And until then, happy trading.